So some of the new arrivals this week. How about the 1965 Factory 5 Daytona Replica? World Rally Blue over black. That is a cool looking car.
It is cool.
There's just something odd duck about a Cobra Daytona. It's I don't know. When you look at it, it doesn't fit, but it looks cool.
Yeah,
I don't know. Is that just because we know what it's all about, or is it because it's actually a cool looking car?
I think it's a cool looking car.
Oh, there you go.
I love that flat back.
Because of the aerodynamics.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, or maybe not.
Well, that's what they did it for, but it didn't. It didn't work,
and it didn't add to the aesthetics either.
Right.
3,829 actual miles. I mean, I don't know that there's any other companies other than Factory 5 that are building these Cobra Daytonas. So. I mean, there's lots that build Cobra Roadsters without the top, but not many build the Daytona. Maybe they don't have the rights to. I don't know.
Right.
347 cubic inch stroker V8 with a T5 5-speed, and it's got AC. Which you get a little warm in those things, I would imagine.
Yeah, they didn't have AC in
They
the
didn't really, very well done and nicely done. All these cars you can find on our website, classicautomall.com, and also on YouTube, where we show our show, and then we also do shorts on these cars. Have we done one on this one, I think?
I don't think so.
Well, we should.
Yep. Well, we are now, since we talked about it.
Since we're talking about it, it's going to happen.
Right.
Ding, ding, ding.